That's all right, sir. Over. Sergeant, you better get on the radio and organize some buses to take the kids home.
Elton 7480.
Get back to our equipment.
Says thank you and goodbye and hope you have less of children.
Tell you, thank you, I'm missing.
He can't use that stuff.
Why, I have to.
Bushmen don't know about money.
What else will it be?
There's nothing here he can use. Bushmen don't need things.
He's got to take the money, it's the law.
Tim Cazzo.
He's going the wrong way. The Kalahari's that way.
Says he got to find the evil thing and get rid of it. I don't know. I'm going to miss the little brother. You're going to look like that forever?
Like what?
Like Jack Hind is a better man than you?
No, I'm going to talk to him.
Yeah, so you were the big deal.
I can't do that. I really want to talk to her. I'll tell her. I'll say, look, Miss Thompson, I know you think I'm an idiot, but no, it's only when I'm in the presence of a lady that well, it's really just an interesting psychological phenomenon. If a man who is susceptible to a type of Freudian syndrome like this encounters a nubile female, what happens?
I suppose I'm not a big word happens.
To a erudite.
Yeah, whatever that means.
I'll give you some facts. Miss Thompson. Get it. It's really only an interesting psychological phenomenon. She'll understand that. She's a school teacher. I'll say, when there's no baby because it's having catch the tiniest insect without hurting it, she has to learn the additional such as thing about no need for the practice and advantages. So
Wait for me, we need some more of a problem.
Morning, Miss Thompson.
Morning.
How are you?
Fine, thanks. How are you?
Fine, thanks. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.